Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this plaque and little picture stand I got from Dollar Tree. I take the little top part off of the stand and then apply Antique Wax by Waverly to both of them. I take a baby wipe and blend that all in. It'll remove the excess and it just makes it easier to apply. Next, I'm taking this orange and white checkered ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I start by hot gluing the end of it just to make it come to a point, and then glue that to the bottom portion of the plaque. And then what I'm doing is I am folding it over and kind of zigzagging it back and forth until I get up to the top, making it a little bit larger as I go. Once I get to the top, I trim up that end piece at a point and fold it over just so you won't be able to see the end of it, and then hot glue that down. Next, I'm taking this Boxwood pick that's from Walmart, and I'm cutting small pieces of it and hot gluing those and tucking them in that top ribbon. And then I'm taking some Spanish moss and I'm hot gluing that right below the greenery. And I'm taking this ribbon, this lace ribbon, and making a little bow out of it. To close up the center of the loop, I take floral wire and wrap that around the center and pinch that really tight and twist it, cutting away the excess and folding down the end and hot gluing that to the moss. And then add some hot glue to the stand and place the plaque down on there. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.